Chicken pilaf is today's cooking recipe. My mother will be showing us an easy and quick method to cook it. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, carrot, onion, red bell pepper, salt, peppercorns, vegetate fresh or dried parsley. You can use chicken, lamb, beef, or sheep. Vegetables. Method: we boil the chicken beforehand because it is meat that needs time to boil. A tip: do not throw away the water in which it was boiled because all the taste remains in boiled water and can be used in soups or other foods. Chop the onion finely together with the bell pepper, grate the carrot, and put them all to cook until softened. Then add the meat and cook it together with the vegetables for a few seconds. Then add salt and peppercorns and keep on cooking. After that we add the well-washed rice. In the end, we add the water in which we boil the chicken and let it cook for a quarter of an hour until the rice is soft and cooked. Garnish with fresh or dried parsley. And that's it, our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.